So in our last section we have seen the conversion of prefix to infix. Now today we will see the expression from prefix to postfix. Now what is prefix? Prefix is the expression in such a way that operands are present and before that operator is present, that is prefix, and we want to convert this prefix to postfix, means operator will be present in between the operands. We have to convert from this to this. So for that, which is the algorithm or which are the steps that are used, that we will see today. So what we will do, our first step is scanning the elements of the expression from right to left. So keep in mind, in prefix to infix as well as in prefix to postfix, we are scanning the element from right to left. From right to left, we will scan each and every element of the expression. So the first step is scanning the element from right to left, where each element will be scanned. Now if operand is found, then we will move or push that onto the top of the stack. Whenever we are finding operand, we will directly move or directly push that operand to the top of the stack. And if operator is found, then what we will do? We will pop the two topmost elements, that is element at top and element next to top. Means suppose we are having this particular stack where A, B and C elements are present. A is present at top of the stack and B is present next to the top of the stack. So we will pop these two operands from the top of the stack. So after now what we are doing, whenever we are finding any particular operand, we are moving that operand to the stack directly. But whenever we are finding the operator, we are popping the two elements, and after popping we are inserting or pushing the operator after operands. In which way? Operand, operand, operator. So our expression becomes AB plus, because after getting operator we are popping the elements, we are keeping the elements as it is, and we are inserting or pushing the operator after the operands. And that's why the particular expression becomes operand, operand and operator, which is called as the postfix expression. So what we are doing, we are pushing the expression as A, B and the operator in such a way that we will do same procedure for all the elements that are present in our expression, and in this way we can convert the prefix expression to postfix expression. So in this section we have seen the steps for converting prefix to postfix. In our next section we will see the example for converting prefix to postfix. Thank you.